Megan. Welcome to my channel. I'm trying to put out different kinds of videos all summer long, so I decided to start vlogging in the middle of the day today. I didn't plan that well. I didn't charge any of my batteries. Anyway, so I started to side vlogging in the middle of the day, so we're going to rewind a little bit so you can check out what I have for you from the beginning of the day. Hey guys, so we're out here at Seagirt Beach for the day. This is kind of, sort of, maybe a vlog for later on. It's really cold, the water is making us numb. What do you have to say?
The water is cold, don't go in it. If you go in it, you're crazy.
Don't go in the water. Bad. Hey Kirsten. Hey. What happens when two waves go out together?
I don't know.
They crash. That was bad. So I went to the beach earlier today with my friend Kirsten, and now I'm gonna go to the beach with my friend Annie. So we'll see what kind of content that creates. See you then, boy. Oh my god, it's Annie. Oh my god.
Oh my god, love! Hey! Here we are at Seagirt Beach. Welcome. Months. It's amazing. Oh, hey!
We are going to walk the beach now. Looks like, what? He's setting up a ladder. Are they about to like train right now?
I don't know.
Seriously, we are fat here. We like ice cream. We don't train on the beach. Hello, our names are Megan and Annie, and we're here to guard your life.
What's up? Honestly, this is not a bad job. No one has drowned yet, thankfully. Oh my god, here it comes. All the time I turn around, both fell around, always looking at me up and down, looking at me. I just wanna say it now, I ain't trying to round up, drum a little, mama, I don't wanna take it, man. I know I'm coming off just a little bit conceited, and I keep on repeating all the boys wanna eat, but I'm trying to tell, but I can't be true like clientele, cause they say she delicious.
So we've adventured out to the Manasquan Inlet. It looks very pinky purpley here right now, and it's matching my outfit and making me very happy. Annie.
Woo! I'm excited.
So Annie had to stop the car because I found my lighting.
Oh my.
Annie, quick, strike a pose. Vogue.
Come on, Vogue.
Alright, that's all I have for you guys today, so thanks for the memes. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Larry the lifeguard or Annie the lifeguard?
You're here
That
to
was
guard.
awful. Cut that out.
I don't cut anything. Except paper!
How about you, Megan? What are you thinking of?
I'm thinking of being a professional lifeguard forever. What do you think?
Yeah, this is... I could get used to this, I'm telling you.